Part 4. Animals wey enter ark. How animals take enter ark? A. People carry them. B. Dem waka 2 by 2. C. Dem push themselves inside. D. Dem fly enter. B. Dem waka 2 by 2 take enter the ark. Which type animals Noah carry enter ark? A. Only clean animals. B. Only wild animals. C. Clean and unclean animals. D. Only house animals. C. Clean and unclean animals na im Noah carry enter the ark. Wetin still follow enter ark apart from animals and Noah family? A. Angels. B. All kinds of birds. C. Fish. D. Fruits. B. All kinds of birds na im follow Noah enter the ark.